Welcome to Cole's World of Mathematics, where math is made simple and clear.
In this video, we're going to go back to the basics and take a graphical approach to what integration actually means to integrate this expression. Alright, so in general, you need to think of the integral as an accumulator. And in this case, it's accumulating the area under the curve. Now, this one works really nice for a graphical approach because it's the absolute value graph. And that's going to be a nice little V graph. We can see that x minus 4 basically just shifts to the right 4. And then there's your absolute value. So if it's going to accumulate the area under the graph, okay, we're going to go from 0 to 5. All right, so x equals 0 is right here. And x equals 5 is right here. So there's our vertical boundaries. All right, this is x equals 5, this is x equals 0. All right, now we want the area of the curve, area under the curve in between those boundaries. So over here we have a nice little right triangle, and we can just use good old-fashioned area formula for a triangle to find that area right there. And then over here, a little tiny triangle, again another right triangle. And so we can just use for that one right there, 1/2 base times height again. We can just use our regular geometric formulas for finding that area under the curve because of the way this absolute value graph works. All right, so just kind of summarize here, we're going to take this area right here by just doing 1/2 base times height. We've got a base of 4, we have a height of 4. So 1/2 times 4 times 4, 16 divided by 2. So this part is going to have an area of 8. This little right triangle over here, we're going to add that one up. We're going to again use that 1/2 base times height. All right, we have a base of 1, a height of 1. So 1/2 times 1 times 1, that's just going to be a 1/2. So that area right in there is 1/2. So total amount of area under the curve from 0 to 5 for this particular example is going to be 8 1/2. All right, so if I integrate from 0 to 5, the absolute value graph of x minus 4, then I'm going to get 8 1/2. All right, but just basic, understanding of what an integral is. An integral is we're finding the area under the curve. All right, now most of the time we take an algebraic approach. All right, we use some of our integration rules, that sort of thing, because the expression or the curve is too complicated to graph. But this one, really nice little graph, and as a result, we got known shapes that we knew how to calculate the area. So just a really nice simple problem to go back to the basics on this and understand what and why you are doing integration. Definitely thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, please share with your friends so they can benefit too. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.